in just 5 minutes. It's super simple, incredibly eco-friendly. Chic bag.
Did you know that millions of old t-shirts end up in landfills every year? But what if I told you that you can easily repurpose them into something useful, stylish and eco-friendly? Let's turn these old t-shirts into a bag you'll actually want to use.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to transform an old t-shirt into a chic bag in just 5 minutes. It's super simple, incredibly eco-friendly, and a fun way to breathe a new life in your wardrobe.
We all have that stash of t-shirts we no longer wear, taking up space in your closets. They're too worn out to donate, but it feels wasteful to just throw them away. The thing is, textile waste has a huge environmental impact, contributing to overflowing landfills and pollution. But instead of tossing them, why not upcycle them? So, let's get started. First, lay your t-shirt out flat and fold it neatly in half. We're going to cut along these two lines just here. Grab your scissors and carefully cut off the arms and the neckline. Once you've done that, it should look like this. Next, open it up and turn it inside out. Scrunch up the bottom of the shirt, then take some string and wrap it tightly around, tying it off securely. Now, just turn it back through and there you have it, a simple homemade t-shirt bag. It's that easy. Here's the final product. This bag is surpassingly strong, perfect for carrying books, groceries, or whatever you need. And the best part? You can customize it with any t-shirt, making it as unique as you are. Who knew upcycling could look this good? To recap, we turn an old t-shirt into a practical, stylish bag with just a few simple cuts and a bit of string. Not only is this project easy and fun, but it's also a great way to reduce waste and give new life to old clothes.
I'd love to hear about your favorite t-shirt transformations. Drop a comment below and let me know how your turns out.
And if you enjoyed this project, be sure to check out more day videos on my channel. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!